Hey all YouTube friends, family, cousins, what's up? What's up? It's good to be out of work today, boys. Friday. Tell you what, even though it was a short week, it was a long week. Dang, I hate when that happens. Rained all week, it's been cold up here. I hate to talk about the weather because all the YouTubers this time of year, everybody's talking about the weather is getting colder. All the corn like that right there is getting pulled out of there. Leaves are changing color. Yeah, not much bike time riding left. There's maybe a month or so. That's a couple of weekends we get to go. But today, I hurried home, get out of work. I have a car that I was working on. I don't know if you guys, any of you all are do-it-yourselfers. I am. I'll screw it all up before I take it somewhere to get it, to pay someone to fix something for me. I ordered a part. It was a camshaft sensor for my car the other day. And it's been raining. I haven't had a chance to fix it. So today I was going to hurry home and get that done so I could like do other things tomorrow and take a ride, you know. Yeah, taking a ride's always on the list if it's nice out. That truck, that was crazy right there, pulling a trailer and he turns in front of that guy. Holy moly. But anyways, I was going to hurry home, get that car fixed so I can do other stuff, take a ride tomorrow or Sunday if it doesn't rain again. I started tearing into that car. I get it all ready. I get the new part out and I'm looking at it and I go, oh! I about popped into, I about blew a gasket. Yeah, I was just about blew a gasket. I ordered the wrong part. Go figure. Either I ordered the wrong part or the shop that I went to ordered the wrong part for me, but I about crapped my pants and go, dang it. At least we got it apart, got it ready. Everything here closes at 6 o'clock. You know, life in a small town's always pretty laid back. There's nothing open late except for the bar, and they don't have any car parts in there that I know about. There probably is if I look hard enough. There's probably a spark plug somewhere. But I'm just wondering if any of you out there do-it-yourselfers, you ever have problems like that? If you do, I'd like to hear about them. This is not the first time it's happened to me. I just learned over the years to suck it up, cowboy up, whatever you want to call it. Go back. Hopefully they'll exchange it for the right parts. If not, we'll just buy more parts. But that's what I'm on my way now. I was hoping to beat the clock before the store closes, and hopefully I could get that part and still work on that car tonight. But if I can't, we got to ride the motorcycle. I got to talk to you guys, and I think we're going to stop by the river at the dam in Hesperia and see if there's any salmon. See that big red tree right there? That sucker was green a couple weeks ago. Crazy how that works. But anyways, we're gonna stop at the dam. It's been cold rain the last few days. That's what makes the salmon come up the river. When they come up the White River, the Hesperia Dam is as far as they can go, and they try to jump that booger all day long. So it's kind of neat to watch. So if we get lucky, we will be able to watch some fish jump at the dam. If there's no fish jumping, at least we get to see the water go over the dam and listen to the roaring noise. Hearing that water make you have to pee. It does me. I don't know how that works. I think it's something you're born with. You hear a run of water, it makes you have to Makes you have to go. I'm kind of weird that way. Looks like it's rush hour in town right now. Both of them cars are rushing to get to, I don't know, they're trying to get home so they can watch YouTube videos. That's what they're trying to do. I don't blame them. I do that myself. What's up, dudes? There's some future bikers right there. They got bicycles. That's a good start. But do it yourself or stuff sometimes will drive you nuts. Sometimes you get a great idea on how to fix stuff or put something together and you tear into it. You don't have the right tools, you don't have the right parts, the right grease, you don't have the right video. I watched a lot of videos on YouTube before I even took this car apart because I had no idea where the sensors were. This particular car is a Chevy, and it's like the whole top of the engine is covered with a big hunk of plastic. Well, you got to get that stupid plastic off before you can, I guess the sensors were underneath it, and I did get that off without breaking anything. And yeah, the sensors were under there. That's when I discovered I bought the wrong sensors. Ain't that enough to make you dunk your hat in the creek? I was crying like a baby. And daggum, it's always something, boy. Always something. The sensor in the car was like 3 inches long, and the one that I got ordered was only not maybe a 3/4 of an inch. Brother biker fishing. Cool. Let's go check it out. All right, YouTubers. We did not get to the park store in time, so we're looking at the river. No loitering. Park is closed. Yeah, that's okay. It's open for us. Nice little park here in Hesperia, Kentucky. Little gazebo there. Back over there in the distance is one of them party sheds, party shack, whatever you want to call it. Set over there. Got all the nice decking. But we've been standing here a while and haven't seen any fish jump. I think it's still early yet. There's been a lot of people come and go. But this is as far up the White River in Michigan that salmon can go, so they have to jump right here. It's as far as they can get. The fish ladder was right here at one time. Back when I was a kid, there was a fish ladder there and the fish could come up that, but it's all filled in with concrete because this dam has been underwater too many times over the years. It costs too much money to keep it, so they're just keeping it at a minimum. No more fish ladder, and the salmon just come up here and jump like crazy when they get here. So we'll get some in the next few days, guarantee you. Hey, everybody coming down to the dam to see if the salmon are running yet. I was there quite a while and didn't see nothing, so still early. Talked to a couple of guys that rode up on bikes. It was cool. I should have got them on the camera, shouldn't I? But they left too quick. They just stopped to have a smoke and they took off. They asked me if I saw any fish. I go, nope. So they left. Quick conversations. They must have been do-it-yourselfers like I am. Got projects to do when they get home. So it's starting to cool off. We're going to head home and see what other do-it-self projects I can mess up. I have many. Well, y'all, I appreciate you riding along with me today. It's not going to be too many more rides on the bike. It's getting cold. So I appreciate you watching. I appreciate y'all checking in on me, liking the videos. Until the next time, put the hammer down and have some fun. Yeehaw! I wanted to show you guys, this is a car I'm working on today. I'll show you real quick. This thing right here is what we got to change. And the new one that I bought is only this big. The one in there is like that big. Yeah, made a mistake, but it took me like 25-30 minutes to figure out how to get this big piece of plastic off of there. There's no screws. Surprising what a pry bar will do, come right off. Yep. So there's proof that I did work on this car. Made a mess. We're putting it away now.